How to create a PayPal account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up PayPal on a device. Then tap on sign up at the bottom right corner. Now simply enter the email address and tap on next. Now enter your phone number. Then tap on next. Now enter the code. Now once you enter the code, simply create a password. Then tap on next. Now enter the first name. Now enter your full name. Then select the date of birth. Then tap on OK and tap on next. Now fill up the details. Then tap on agree and create an account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.